All right, since I was only getting 30 psi from my fuel pump, I was decided to further investigate the fuel problem, and I shot some carb cleaner into my just right into my throttle bodies here and here, but that did not work. So I just sprayed it in. Go ahead and turn it over. I don't want to flood the engine, so I'm not spraying anymore. Hold on. Do it again. All right. Thank you. I actually think I do have fuel pressure. It just drops. Go. Do it again. Since I'm out here to look at it. All right. Let's stop. Okay, it's at 40. Nice. So I don't need a new PS. It's at 40, and then it drops off when the fuel pressure disengages. So it's not fuel.